Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I'm you Prajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the top 5 reasons for you to choose the Tata Nexon compact SUV over its rivals. The Tata Nexon was launched in the second half of 2017 and has been a hugely successful product since then. Last year, along with the BS6 engine upgrades, the Tata Nexon also received a major facelift along with a whole host of new features and more power for the petrol engine. As a result of these updates, the Tata Nexon is now the 6th best-selling SUV in the Indian market. We are here to tell you the top 5 reasons why the Tata Nexon is a better choice among its rivals. The first talking point about the Tata Nexon is the looks. When launched first in 2017, the Tata Nexon had a more curvy coupe-like design. As a result, the lower spec variants of the previous Tata Nexon did not have the presence of the top spec variants. With the BS6 2020 update, the Tata Nexon received a completely new face, resembling the fascia of the Land Rover Discovery Sport, and a clamshell bonnet design. With a more square front end, the headlamps and tail lamps received LED elements as standard, while also offering projector headlamps as standard across all variants. While the rear design of the Tata Nexon may not be up to everyone's taste, the Tata Nexon is unmistakably a strong and butch-looking compact SUV. The interior design of the Tata Nexon has always been sophisticated yet minimalistic, and along with this design, the facelift model also brought in better quality materials and upgraded features along with a new flat-bottom steering wheel. So while the Tata Nexon may be cool and quirky on the outside, it is very simple and pleasing on the inside. The second big advantage of the Tata Nexon is the space and comfort. The Tata Nexon is a compact SUV that offers a rare combination of exceptional space and comfort for all passengers. The front seats are exceptionally comfortable on all variants as they offer soft cushioning and great support all round, despite the fact that a height adjustment function for the driver's seat is available only from the XZ Plus variant. Not only the front seats, the rear seats of the Tata Nexon are exceptional in terms of comfort with segment besting under thigh support and almost sofa-like feeling. While rear AC vents are standard from the XZ variant, a front and rear center armrest is available from the XZ Plus variant onwards. Similarly, height-adjustable headrests for the rear passengers are also available from the XZ Plus variant only. Despite this great space and comfort, the Tata Nexon does not compromise on boot space and still offers 350 liters of luggage space. For additional flexibility, the XZ Plus variant onwards, the Nexon also gets 60/40 split-folding rear seats, along with a lot of convenient storage options inside the cabin, including a cold glove box, umbrella holders on the front doors, and the tambour door storage console in between the front passengers. The third significant point of the Tata Nexon is the availability of features. Though the entry-level XE variant does not offer rear power windows or remote central locking, the XM variant onwards, the Tata Nexon gets a 2-DIN Harman audio system with 4 speakers, remote central locking with follow me headlamp function, remote boot opening function using the key fob, electrically adjustable ORVMs with auto folding function, and silver finished roof rails. Next to the XM variant, the Tata Nexon also gets a new XM-S variant, which offers an electric sunroof along with automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, in addition to all the features available on the XM variant. The XZ variant adds a touchscreen infotainment system along with 4 additional tweeters, steering mounted audio controls, rear AC vents, reverse parking camera, front fog lamps, along with a triple tone interior finish, fabric padding on the doors, and silver finished skid plates on the front and rear bumpers. The XZ Plus variant onwards, the Tata Nexon also gets 16-inch dual tone machine cut alloy wheels, rear windshield wiper washer and defogger, front and rear armrests, automatic climate control with voice command function, keyless entry with push button start, and a height adjustable driver seat. The XZ Plus S variant adds an electric sunroof along with additional features like automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, cruise control, tire pressure monitoring system, and express cool function for the automatic climate control. Then there is the topmost XZ Plus optional variant, which offers only Aira Connect connected car features over the XZ Plus S variant. This Aira Connect system on the Tata Nexon's XZ Plus optional variant offers functionalities like vehicle diagnostics, vehicle live status, live tracking and geofencing, smartphone-based lock and unlock function along with horn and headlamp controls, and finally service and emergency assistance. While Android Auto and Apple CarPlay along with reverse parking camera is standard from the XZ variant itself, inbuilt voice assist and voice recognition functions are available only from the XZ Plus variant onwards. These voice commands can be used to control the automatic climate control, FM radio, media, source changing, contact calling, number dialing, and message readout functions. Apart from these highlights, the Tata Nexon XZ variant itself offers What 3 Words navigation system, which is a navigation system that uses 3 code words for your desired location, up to a precision of up to 3 meters. Talking about safety features too, the Tata Nexon is the only compact SUV to offer all significant safety features as standard from the entry-level XE variant itself. Apart from the standard dual airbags, ABS with EBD and corner stability control offers electronic stability program with traction control, rollover mitigation, hill hold control, electronic brake prefill and brake disc wiping. While reverse parking sensors and ISOFIX child seat mounts are standard across all variants, front fog lamps along with reverse parking camera is available only from the XZ variant, and rear adjustable headrests along with rear windshield wiper washer and defogger are available only from the XZ Plus variant onwards. Apart from all these safety features, it is also worthy to note that the Tata Nexon has scored a full 5-star rating at the global NCAP crash tests. The fourth key point of the Tata Nexon is its engine performance and flexibility. The Tata Nexon is available with one petrol and one diesel engine option, both of them being turbocharged. The petrol engine is a 1.2-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged unit producing 120 PS of maximum power and 170 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed AMT gearbox. The diesel engine option is a 1.5-litre 4-cylinder Revotorque unit producing 110 PS of maximum power and 260 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed AMT. While both engines have been tuned for linear acceleration, both the petrol and diesel engines have a punchy mid-range along with effortless cruising abilities. Both engines also come as standard with 3 multiple drive modes, including economy, city and sports modes, which significantly change the power characteristics of the engine and the gear response on the AMT variants. If you prefer maximum response from the engine for enthusiastic driving and overtakes, the sports mode is the best option for it. However, if you are in the mood for relaxed cruising with maximum focus on mileage, then the economy mode relaxes the engine power with adequate response for multiple lane highways. For the city environment, which does not require as much power as the sport mode but still requires more power than the economy mode, the city mode is the default option for you. So depending on your driving needs and habits, you can change the engine power characteristics on the Tata Nexon. Not just on-road, the Tata Nexon is also decently capable off-road. With a segment-besting ground clearance of 209 mm and the robust long-travel suspension setup, the Tata Nexon will remain unfazed while also providing absorbent ride quality on the inside. Complementing all the characteristics of the Tata Nexon is its body control and handling. The electronic power steering provides great feedback, and the body roll too is well controlled. So the Tata Nexon can also be sportily driven without having the worry of ground clearance or bad ride quality. Apart from the 6-speed manual transmission, the Tata Nexon also offers a 6-speed AMT gearbox option on both the engines, available with the XM, XMS, XZ Plus, XZ Plus Optional and the XZ Plus S variants. Lastly, talking about the pricing, the Tata Nexon is still one among the best value for money compact SUVs in the Indian market. The petrol manual range starts from Rs 7.19 lakh ex-showroom for the entry-level XE variant and goes all the way up to Rs 10.85 lakh for the top-spec XZ Plus optional petrol manual variant. The AMT range, on the other hand, starts from Rs 8.75 lakh ex-showroom for the XMA variant and goes up to Rs 11.45 lakh ex-showroom for the top-spec XZA Plus optional variant. The diesel manual range, on the other hand, starts from Rs 8.49 lakh ex-showroom for the entry-level XE variant and goes up to Rs 12.18 lakh ex-showroom for the top-spec XZ Plus optional manual diesel variant. The diesel AMT range, on the other hand, starts from Rs 10.08 lakh ex-showroom for the mid-spec XMA variant, going all the way up to Rs 12.78 lakh ex-showroom for the top-spec XZA Plus optional AMT diesel variant. Those were the top 5 reasons the Tata Nexon is still one among the best-selling compact SUVs in the Indian market. And these are also the reasons why you should seriously consider the Tata Nexon as your next car. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about the Tata Nexon. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.